So today we have a question, and it is about NotebookLM, and it is what file types are supported by NotebookLM. Okay, so if you want to follow along, let me just kind of go backwards a little bit before we go forwards. If you go to notebooklm.google.com, you get to this page, and then you either create a new notebook, or if you have an existing notebook, we're talking about adding sources. And if you make a new notebook, this screen will just pop up automatically. If you have a notebook already, you just go to add sources over here. And then all the different file types that you can add, they're actually listed if you hover over this and more, and it gives you this little pop-up. If you're not really a tech person and you see all that, that might not really make a ton of sense. So what I did was I took that list and then I put it in Gemini just to kind of give a nice clean list of what's supported here. So let me go through, and there are, I believe it was 43. Yeah, though there are actually 43 file types that it supports today. They change the list all the time, so even by the time you watch the video, there might be more than 43. But when I made this video a couple days ago, there were 43 types. So let's go through them. The first section is document or text format. You have .pdf, you have .txt, you have .md, you have .docx, .csv, .pptx, and .epub. Then audio format, you have AAC. I'm going to leave off the dot moving forward because I think it's just assumed that they all start with dot. We have AIF, you have AIFC, AIFF, AMR, AU, CDA, M4A, MID, MP3, OGG or OGG, Opus, OPUS, RA, RAM, SND, WAV or WAV, WMA, WMA, that's still around, WMA. And then you go to video formats, you have 3G2, 3GP, AVI, MP4, MPEG or MPEG, and the rest are image formats. You have AVIF, BMP, GIF, ICO, JP2, PNG, WebP or WEBP, TIF, TIFF, HEIC, HEIF, JPEG, JPEG, JPG, and JPE. Again, for each of those, there's an actual description of what they are right next to it. So if you heard something in the list and you're like, oh, I want to know what that is, I don't think you want to listen to me read everything that's written in here, but each of those, again, if one of them just kind of caught your ear or eye, whatever, you can just go back through and then just look. Everything that I just read off, there is a description on here of like what type of file it is, and then just a short description of what it is. So like just using OGG, for example, that's an audio file, it's an OGG Vorbis, and it's an open source compressed audio format, etc. So that's the current list for NotebookLM. Again, if we're just doing NotebookLM and you want to know the file types that are supported for uploads, here's the list in here, but this is just very compressed and you may not really know what a lot of that means. So there's just a breakdown list of, or broken down list, excuse me, of what each of those file types are, what they mean, and then categorized into document, audio, video, and image. and again, the file types and a description of what they are. So hopefully that answers your question, and we will see you next time.